Density is an intensive property, which means we can use it to identify. And there's some nice little tricks that help you remember this. Density is something you gotta love. So the way I remember, we put a heart, divide the heart in two, so you find out that density is something you gotta love, which means it's mass over volume, M over V, mass over volume. And there's another neat little trick, because sometimes in a math problem, they're not just going to ask you the density, actually they're going to give you the density, they're going to give you the volume, and they're going to say, what's the mass? Or they may give you the mass and the density of a substance, and they say, what's its volume? So what we do there is we do another little neat trick. Since density is equal to mass over volume, I put mass over volume here. And then I say density is equal to that. We'll just put a little divided there. Mass divided by volume. So this is a nice triangle because I already know that D equals M over V. But what if I want to find mass? Cover it up. D and V are next to each other. And in multiplication, that means you multiply. So mass is density times volume. And then if I want to find the volume of a substance, it's going to be the mass over the density.